Smart factory and IoT automation in manufacturing with AWS.
Manufacturing is evolving. The demand for smart factories is growing as industries seek to enhance efficiency, reduce downtime, and optimize supply chains. Manufacturing industries faced three major challenges. 1. Lack of real-time machine monitoring, leading to unexpected failures. 2. High maintenance costs and frequent downtime slowing production. 3. Inefficient supply chain tracking, causing delays. To overcome these challenges, manufacturing industries turned to AWS Smart Factory Solutions. ECC deployed AWS IoT Core for real-time machine monitoring, reducing unexpected failures. ECC helped in predictive maintenance needs and preventive breakdowns by leveraging Amazon SageMaker for predictive supply chain optimization. ECC integrated AWS, Lambda, and S3 for automated data processing. The impact: game-changing efficiency and cost savings. 20% increase in production efficiency with IoT automation. 30% reduction in machine downtime with AI-driven predictive maintenance. 25% faster supply chain tracking, reducing costly delays. Transformed factory into a smart, data-driven powerhouse with AWS. Are you ready to revolutionize your manufacturing operations? Let's connect Expert Cloud Consulting, your trusted AWS partner,